Imagine this. You are sitting in your favorite coffee shop, sipping a latte, casually scrolling through your emails. You connect to the free Wi-Fi where you are, unaware that a hacker is sitting just a few tables away, intercepting your data. Within minutes, they have access to your emails, password, and even bank details. Scary, right? This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it happens every single day. Cyber criminals prey on unawares, stealing personal data and causing financial loss. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you 7 simple yet powerful ways to protect your privacy and stay safe online. Now, in my 8 years working as IT systems administrator, I have seen a number of people complain of these very, things I'm going to share with you on this video. So if this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing, like this video, feel free to drop a comment on this video and I'll be happy to respond to your questions. First is avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi may be convenient, but you see, it is the hacker's playground. So whenever you get to a place, either a hotel or a coffee shop, or you go to maybe a public place and you see a public Wi-Fi, as much as you can, avoid connecting to it. Now you may be asking, what is now the solution? The solution is to ensure you use your mobile data, or you can use virtual private network VPN. So what it does is that it encrypts your data and keep your online activity safe. Second is verify Wi-Fi network before connecting to it. Now you may be in a public places like hotel or coffee shop, and you see a Wi-Fi name. Let's say the name of the place you went to is Box Wi-Fi. Now make sure you check the name carefully, because you may want to ask why. Hackers often create Wi-Fi network that looks legitimate, like coffee shop free Wi-Fi instead of coffee shop Wi-Fi. If you are not careful, you might connect to a fake network designed to steal your information. The question is, what should you do? Always confirm the official Wi-Fi network name with the staff before connecting. And if you must use public Wi-Fi, avoid logging in sensitive accounts like your bank or email. Third is never use untrusted USB device. A friend hands you a USB device with a cool new movie or important document, but what if that USB contains malware designed to steal your data or control your system? The rule of thumb is never plug in an unknown USB drive. If you must use one, scan it with reliable antivirus software first. Fourth is be cautious with email links and attachments. Phishing emails are getting more sophisticated. You might receive an email from your bank asking you to verify your account. One click and your credentials are stolen. I met a person who shared a sad information of going to an hotel. The person connected to a public Wi-Fi. There was no VPN. And before you knew it, the email of that very person was compromised. The hackers started using the person's email to push out phishing emails out there. Fifth is use strong and unique password. Do you use the same password for multiple accounts? If your answer is yes, then you are making a very big mistake. If one account gets hacked, all your accounts are at risk. You might want to ask, what is the solution? The solution is use a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. You can also enable two-factor authentication wherever possible to add an extra layer of security to your account. 6 on the list is keep your software and devices updated. Now, if you are using Windows operating system or whatever software you are using, always ensure that your Windows is up to date. Check the software and download the latest update. This is very, very important. The reason why you should do this is because cyber criminals exploit outdated software to access your system. Ignoring update is like leaving your doors unlocked at night. I'm sure you don't want to do it. So what is the fix? The fix is always install the latest security patches and update for your devices, apps, and operating system. Set your device to update automatically. 7 on the list, which is the last one, is limit what you share online. Posting your vacation plans, your daily routines, or sensitive personal details makes you easy target for cyber criminals and scammers. So avoid posting your personal information on social media. It is not a good idea. The question is, what can you do? So just be mindful of what you share. Adjust privacy settings on your social media and think twice before posting personal details. The internet is a powerful tool, but it can also be a dangerous place if you are not careful. By following these 7 tips, you can protect your privacy, secure your data, and browse with confidence. Now I have a challenge for you. Which of these tips surprise you the most? Let me know on the comment box down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and cybersecurity advice. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.